Before I came to practical law, I was a solicitor in large law and a barrister at the New South Wales Bar. I finished up as a dispute resolution senior associate at Gatens. What I love about my role with practical law is that I'm showing large law every single day how their fee earners can use practical law to improve their practice. So from the moment a file hits your desk, you're up and running and you can be getting instructions from the client, telling them about prospects, strategy and next steps, which is what clients are after as soon as possible. What I love about practical law is all of the resources in practical law allow lawyers to get to the information they need ASAP. So you're not messing around with hours of case law or commentary. You're getting to a really clear, incisive format of information that allows you to get to the critical issues in the matter much more quickly than with traditional commentary and case law. Practical law has two key differentiators compared to traditional case law and commentary. In terms of a lawyer's daily practice, number one, currency. It means everything. Lawyers need to be up to date. And practical law is updated within 24 to 48 hours. So you have that confidence knowing you're using up-to-date resources. Number two, every single document on practical law is linked through metadata to every other document. So it's almost like a choose your own adventure. You start at the top and you drill down through the information which is presented in a really informative and incisive way. So it gets you to that information ASAP. Practical law is a fantastic resource for law firms and offers real assistance if you are a paralegal or if you are a really experienced senior practitioner. There's something for everyone. And I think something that is really useful to law firms nowadays is know-how. So some more junior practitioners might not have the experience. Some more senior practitioners might be working in an area that they don't touch on every day. But regardless, and as a senior associate, practical law is a fantastic touchstone in all those areas of law that lawyers touch on every day. Let's say, for example, you're doing a share purchase for a client. So practical law has a fantastic summary of due diligence. So you can send that off to your juniors. They can run through that. You don't have to waste time spending 2 hours explaining to them what the process is, what's important, and what they need to record. There's also a fantastic template sheet where all the juniors can record all the information so that you can have all the information organised so you can advise the client really, really quickly. Also, if you're looking through the share purchase practice note, which is an excellent resource for this kind of work, it touches on financial assistance. And as we all know, financial assistance is prohibited by the Corporations Act. It gives a fantastic summary. And if you need to know more, there's a full practice note on financial assistance, how to deal with it, and how you do a shareholder's whitewash. One example where practical law could really save the day is if you're advising a large corporate on doing a share purchase and you know that the target company has recently made a loan to your client. So when you're reading through the share purchase practice note, it touches on financial assistance. If you want to know more about financial assistance, obviously keeping in mind this loan, you can then click on the financial assistance practice note, which gives you a fantastic rundown of what is financial assistance, why it's prohibited, and what you can do about it. For example, a shareholder's whitewash.